Greg Richards is set to go down against Dan Aziz, and I'm really much confident to say that Greg Richards was having ups and downs, and Aziz also has been out of control recently, but he's on a grind. He isn't giving up. Aziz is a guy who will fight until the last dying breath. When it's hard, he trains. When it's easy, he trains. He's a very dedicated guy, and Craig Richards defeated Padraig McCrory, lost to Willie Hutchinson, Joshua Buatsi, defeated Boris Creighton, and then Aziz is 5 for 10. This guy lost to Louis Edmondson, Joshua Buatsi, draw against Hrvoje Sepp, and defeated Sulejman Adilsun, Bahadur Karami. But this could arguably be the greatest challenge of his career, and I'm having a feeling that this is going to be a technical fight, and I'm going to go with over 6.5. If I must pick a side, maybe I'm going to give a very, very slight advantage to Dan Aziz, but very slight advantage.